Are you looking for an opportunity to start your own business, determine the hours you work and earn an unlimited income? The Leather Doctor, Fabric Doctor and Timber Doctor are Australia's largest mobile cleaning, repair and restoration franchise network. Our franchisees come from all walks of life and each share the desire to be part of a well-known national brand that helps them build their own successful and lifestyle-friendly business.
My background, I've been in manufacturing for approximately 20 years.
Before I did this, I was actually a stay-at-home mum.
Previous to this, I did 20 years in construction.
I've got a very corporate background.
We're excited that you've considered us as a potential part of your future. The Leather Doctor provides professional cleaning, repair, restoration and recolouring for items made from leather and vinyl. The Fabric Doctor provides fabric cleaning, stain removal and protection services that extends the life of fabric upholstery. The Timber Doctor provides specialised timber, laminate, stone and high gloss surface restoration and repair services.
What I love about being a leather doctor is the work-life balance.
There's ongoing training.
You're trusted and you're empowered to run your own business.
You don't need to have any sort of background to take this on.
Every day is different. I love the fact that I can bring something back to life rather than it being replaced.
The brand's just how well regarded it is.
The affordability to be able to get in at an entry level.
This is a very unique opportunity.
If you want a successful business backed by a top national brand, visit our website or register your interest.